Driveways Southampton. Where does the journey to your home begin? Right at your driveway. A driveway is much more than just a practical, off-street place to park your car. From the rustic allure of brick to the timeless elegance of stone and the smooth finish of tarmac, an attractive and modern driveway can create a strong first impression. There are also practical benefits to upgrading or laying a brand new driveway. It can create a safe space for you to park your vehicle. That reduces the risk of damage from parking on the street or on a worn drive. Also, if you are thinking of moving home, then a new driveway could help increase the value of your property. A parking space is often one of the first things that home buyers look for. For more information on our local driveway installation services, contact us today on 07480549222.